Today is April 9th, Wednesday, 2008.
G R I Y quality.
Good job.
Good job.
E-I-T-E.
Good job, Devin.
D-R-A-N. Dog.
Good
Correct.
job.
E-I-R-Ear.
Good job, Devin. Ear.
No.
Good job.
C-U-B. Cup.
Yes.
That was a good cup.
Good job, Devin.
B.
M.
Just trouble with that one.
Y. Mommy.
Yes.
Good job.
D. R. I. K. Trick.
Good job.
T. R. E. E.
Then she has to demonstrate.
Toes.
Yes.
Toes.
Toe.
E. Y. E. A.
Good
Good
job.
Y. E. B. Dash.
Yes.
Y.
What?
E. S.
Dash.
Good
Yes.
job. Now on to the letters. Devin.
A.
Good job. Devin. Devin.
G.
Yes.
R.
Yes.
B.
Yes.
B. A. Son. Eat.
Look again. No. What is it?
B.
Yeah. Say it.
Yeah.
You're gonna fall. What is it?
Yeah.
She can say it within the word cup, but I think she has trouble when it's by itself.
Devin. Look.
Devin. What letter is that?
Oh.
Devin. P.
B.
P. Good
Good
job.
job.
That's one we need to work on more than the others.
Yeah.
Devin. Good job.
Oh. D-Y.
L.
Yeah.
L. Devin.
Devin, look.
D.
Good job.
Devin. Almost
Devin, you
finished.
gotta look. Almost done. You gotta look.
Look at. What is it?
N.
Devin. Hold it. What is it? Devin. What is it?
T.
No.
D. R.
Maybe she's used to lowercase I. That's new. I haven't done it. Printed an I out in uppercase in that
Devin.
font.
Devin.
Devin.
Y.
Good
Yes.
job.
Devin.
R.
Yes.
K.
Yes.
C.
Yes.
E.
Yes.
B.
Yes.
C.
No. Look at the difference.
Yeah, that font is
G.
fun.
G.
Good job.
Wait. Wait. Gotta write. Wait. One
Wait,
more
wait.
thing.
A little bit more. Just a few
is
more
this
minutes.
Devin.
Mom, the tablet's over there on top of Pilot's crate. Just a few more minutes, Devin, then you're done, okay?
Something right
Tinker. Mommy's little tinker.
Devin. Devin.
Good job,
Devin.
Devin. You're doing so
Look at me.
good.
Look at me. Devin. Look at me. Look at me. What is this? What is this?
Eat. Eat.
She's making a T sign. Does look like a T.
Give it.
Do it just with just a straight line, Mom.
I.
See?
Yes.
She knows it like that.
Okay. What is this?
C. B.
Yes.
B, there you go.
What is this?
D R A dog.
Good job. What is this?
D eat.
Yes, I need you to spell it.
E I T eat.
What is this?
D R I K drink.
Yes. What is this?
Ear.
Yes.
Good
Spell it for
job.
me.
E-I-R ear.
Good girl.
job.
Look.
That is a
Wait.
E Y eyes.
Yay.
Job.
Great
Good
job.
girl.
Devin, what is this? Devin.
Mom, do toes and toe and cup.
Devin.
Devin, look at
Devin.
Granny.
Devin.
Tinker, look at Granny.
Look at me. Look at me. Hurry, we gotta work. Look it. What's this?
E dog.
No.
D R E dog.
Toe.
Good
Okay,
job.
look it. Look. What's this?
C
Point. I need you to point. Yes.
S C T R
She knows that one. It's because all the other letters are on the page with that one.
B cup.
Yes.
Good job.
Let's do that one again, Devin.
Devin, look at
Devin,
Granny.
Look it.
Here.
Look it.
C U B cup.
Yes. Wow, Devin, what is this? Do you know this?
No.
Say it. Start over.
Yes. No.
Yes. Okay. Good job. Let me
Good
see.
job, Dev.
D R N
L.
L A
L.
L dog.
What is this?
Y E B says
Yes. S.
S
S.
S
Okay, Devin, want to write your name? Devin, let's write your name.
Devin, you do.
Here, I
Devin.
need you to write.
You do it. You do it.
What is that?
Which one do you want?
There.
Which one? Okay, we're going to do this little thing that I do
Hey.
for her.
Just a little activity to keep her motivated. She loves it.
Here you go. Which hand do you want? Which one do you want? That one? Okay, good.
D E B Y
Yes,
Devin,
job.
good job.
Okay, I want you to do it this way, though.
Practice the Y.
Hey, let's do it this way.
Dish.
Help Grammy do it. Help Grammy.
D E B Y
Okay, which?
D E B Y
Now, which one do you want? Come on, your
You
turn.
do,
We
you
gotta
do.
finish. Okay. D.
D E B
That was a good V.
Y
Better. Yes. Okay, those are the most recent goals we've been working on, and that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you and good night.